Here are the answers for the day 4 warm-up. Write the chemical formula for the compound made from ions of the given elements. Question A, sodium and chlorine. To create the formulas, we need to think about the positive and negative charges, make sure the positive and negative charges balance out, creating a neutral compound. Sodium is in group 1A. It creates a positive 1 ion. Chlorine is in group 7A. It creates a negative 1 ion. The least common multiple of positive 1 and negative 1 is 1. We only need to have one sodium ion and one chloride ion. The formula is Na1Cl1, or more simply, NaCl. Question B, potassium and nitrogen. Potassium is in group 1A, so it creates a positive 1 charged ion. Nitrogen is in group 5A. It creates a negative 3 charged ion. The least common multiple of a positive 1 and a negative 3 is 3. If a single potassium ion has a positive 1 charge, and we had 3 of them, then that makes a positive 3. If a single nitrogen is a negative 3, and we have only one of those, then that's negative 3. That amount of positive charge and negative charge are opposites of each other. They balance out, creating a neutral compound. So the formula is K3N. We need 3 potassiums to only 1 nitride. Question C, aluminum and oxygen. Aluminum is in group 3A. It creates a positive 3 charged ion. Oxygen is in group 6A. It creates a negative 2 charged ion. The least common multiple between a 3 and a negative 2 is the number 6. So think about how we can end up with positive 6 and negative 6. We need to have 2 of the positive 3 particles to make positive 6. But we need to have 3 of the negative 2 charged particles to make negative 6. The formula is Al2O3. 2 aluminum ions and 3 oxide ions create a neutral compound. Question D, barium and fluorine. Barium is in group 2A. It creates a positive 2 charged ion. Fluorine is in group 7A. It creates a negative 1 charged ion. The least common multiple between a 2 and a negative 1 is 2. So we only want to have one of those because that's already a positive 2 charge. But we need to have 2 of those to create a negative 2 charge. So the formula is Ba, just one of those, and then F2. Finally, strontium and sulfur. Strontium is in group 2A. It creates a positive 2 charged ion. Sulfur is in group 6A. It creates a negative 2 charged ion. Observe how positive 2 and negative 2 are already opposites of each other. We only want to have one of each of them because they're already opposites of each other. So the formula is SRS, right? Like SR1, S1, but you just say SRS.